Good morning children. Today let us learn about addition and its properties. First revise the concept of addition. What do you mean by addition? Addition is the process whereby we put objects together. The addition symbol is plus. Let us see how. There are 5 books in my right hand and there are 3 books in my left hand. How many books are there in all? Let us add. 5 books in the right hand and 3 books in the left hand. Add the two numbers. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. Count 5 after. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 how much? 8. To find the total number of books, you have to add the two numbers. And next one is terms used in addition. There are 2 terms we are using in addition. First one is the numbers that we add are called addend. The numbers that we add are called addend. The total we get after adding the number is called sum. For example, in this 5 plus 3, 8. 5 is the first addend. 3 is the second addend. And we get the answer after adding 8. This is the sum. Now remember these words children. In all together, total, sum. It refers to addition. When 0 is added to any number or any number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. For example, if you add 4 and 0, 4 plus 0, how much? 4 itself. And if you add 0 plus 4, what is the sum? 4 itself. So, when 0 is added to any number or any number is added to 0, the answer, the sum is itself. And next one, add 6 plus 5. How much? 6 plus 5. Take 5 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 plus 5 how much? 11. And change the addends order. That means add 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now count 5 after. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 plus 6 also 11. Here we get the sum 11. Hence 6 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 6. The changing order of addend does not change the sum. Now let's see some examples. Let's look some examples children. What is the first one? 3 plus 6. Add 3 and 6. Now take, what is the number it down? Take that number in fingers. 6. What is the down number here? 6. Now take 6 fingers. Now count 3 after. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 plus 6 how much? 9. Next one. 9 plus 2. 9 is keep in mind. Take the down number with fingers. What is that? 2. Take 2 fingers. 9 after 10, 11. 9 plus 2, 11. Next one. 12 plus 11. These are the 2-digit numbers. You done previously, those are 1-digit numbers, single digit additions. These are the 2-digit addition. Here first add the ones place digits. Next go to tens place digits. What is the ones place digits here? 2 and 1. So keep 2 in mind. Take 1 finger. 2 after 3. Next go to the tens place. 1 plus 1. Take 1 finger. 1 after 2. Answer is 23. Next one. Again here 2-digit number. Add the ones place digits first. Next go to the tens place. 8 plus 0. We already learned when any number is added to 0 or 0 is added to any number, the answer is itself. Now what is the number we are adding here? 8. 8 plus 0, 8 itself. Now take the tens place digits. 1 plus 1. Again 1 plus 1. Take 1 finger, 1 after 2. Answer is 28. Next one. These are also 2-digit numbers. Add first ones place digits and next tens place digit. 8 plus 5. 8 is keep in mind. Take 5 fingers. Take 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. You have to write 13 in the ones place. But this is a 2-digit number. Is it correct to write here? No. You have to write only 1 digit. So 13 is the 2-digit number. Ones place and tens place. So write the ones place digit in the answer place 3 and tens place digit 1 is carry forward to tens place. Okay children, write the ones place digit in the answer place and tens place digit is carry forward to the tens place. Next add tens place digits. 2 plus 1. 2 is keep in mind. Take 1 finger. 2 plus 1. 2 after 3. Over? Is it over here? No. There is another number, another carry number here. Again add to 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 43 is the answer. Next one. 6 plus 5. 6 is keep in mind. Take 5 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again 11 is the 2-digit number. So ones place and tens place. Here write the ones place digit in the answer place and tens place digit is carry forward to the tens place. Now add tens place digits. 1, 3, 2. Okay, add first 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. 3 is keep in mind. Take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. And again carry 1 is there. 5 after, take 1 finger. 5 after 6. 61. Answer is 61. Now here, these are the 3-digit numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds. So add first ones place digits, next tens place digits and next hundreds place digits. 6 plus 3. 6 is keep in mind. Take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 how much? 9. Next, go to the tens place. 1 plus 2. 1 is, keep in mind, take 2 fingers. Now count 1 after. 1 after, 2, 3. 1 plus 2, how much? 3. Next, hundreds place. 2 plus 1. 2 is, keep in mind, take 1 finger. 2 after, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Now what is the sum? 339. Next one. Ones, tens, hundreds. So add first ones place digits. 5 plus 0. Here recall that point. When we add 0 to any number, the answer is itself. So 5 plus 0 means 5 itself. Next, tens place. 2 plus 5. 2 is, keep in mind, take 5 fingers. 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5, 7. Next, hundreds place. 4 plus 3. 4 is, keep in mind, take 3 fingers. 4 after, 5, 6, 7. Again 4 plus 3, 7. So what is the answer? 775. Next one. 527 plus 264. This is also 3-digit number. Ones, tens and hundred places. So first add ones place numbers. 7 plus 4. 7 is, keep in mind, take 4 fingers. 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 plus 4, how much? 11. So 11 is the 2-digit number. Ones and tens. So write the ones place value in the answer place. Tens place value is carry forward to the tens place. Next, 2 plus 6 plus 1. Here don't forget to add carry number. 2 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. And here carry 1 is there. Now 8 is, keep in mind, take 1 finger. 8 after, 9. So 2 plus 6 plus 1, how much? 9. Next, go to hundreds place. 5 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 5 after, 6, 7. 791. Next, 3 plus 5. 3 is, keep in mind, take 5 fingers. 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5, how much? 8. Here no carry is there. Only single digit number. That's why we are writing in the ones place. Next, tens place. 7 plus 6. 7 is, keep in mind, take 6 fingers. Take 6 fingers. Count 7 after. 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 plus 6, how much? 13. Again 13 is the 2-digit number, but here we want to write only single digit. That's why write the 3 in tens place. 1 is carry forward to hundreds place. Next, 3 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. Count 3 after. 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 is carry there. Now 7 after, 8. Answer is 838. Okay children? Now home task to you children. First one. 5 plus 8. 46 plus 53. 83 plus 28. 645 plus 234. 567 plus 384. And also learn 8 table children. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. Okay children?